Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Tejal Patel and I would like to tell about one story. The well-known person of Pramukh Swami Maharaj. We all know him for his success. Behind his success, there are many failures. Behind his continuous smiling face, there are many problems. But he had faced many problems and difficulties after his success in his life. I want to say one story of his life. One day he thought that he make one temple in London. He wanted that magnificent and which show the Hindu region. So he said to his colleagues that find the land. But their neighbor were telling that if the BAPS temple built here, so we will ruin our privacy and tranquility also. So BAPS should not build the temple here. They filed case in the court. Eventually BAPS lost his case. Swami got this news, but he did not become sad. Because he always get to smile on his face. He said that it is God's decision, and he also said that we will try our best, and he said that not to blame anyone. We decided to do something and not to stop trying. He said to colleagues that find the other land. So they got finally they try and finally he got the other land. So Pramukh Swami Maharaj did his work very diligently, and he did the opening ceremony of this temple, and his effort, the Swaminarayan temple is working best and great nowadays. And one writer also said that the BAPS Swaminarayan temple in the London is 8th wonder in the world. And the moral of the story is never give up and never try and never give your effort. Try and try again and again that success will come. And Vivekananda Swami also said, arise, awake, and not stop to until the goal is achieved. And I also say to the student that never think that you lost in first chance. You will also fail in your every chance. So try and try, you will success in your life. Thank you. And I also said that you are implement it in your life also. Thank you.